Hello friends, welcome to Matt. This is Murali's accounts time. Accounting for joint stock company, issue of share capital, and the specific topic today, issued at a premium. Issued at premium means issue price is a more than face value. For example, a company's face value of the share is 10, but the company issuing to the public as rate of 12, then a face value 10 issued to the public at 12, the difference 2 rupees is an premium. Let's see the practical question, how we need to prepare the answer for premium. Wipro Company Limited issued 50,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 2 per share. The amount is payable as follows: rupees 2 on application, rupees 4 on allotment, that is an including premium, rupees 2 on first call, and rupees 4 on second and final call. All the shares were subscribed and the money duly received past the journal entries. So first we'll analyze the question, then we will do the working note and we'll record the transaction in the journal. The total number of shares issued by the company 50,000, and the rate per share as a face value 10, and company collecting 2 rupees as a premium. So face value 10 and 2 rupees premium, total 12 rupees a company is collecting. These 12 rupees a company collecting in 4 installment. First installment 2 rupees, second installment 4 rupees, third installment 2 rupees, and last installment as 4 rupees. Total 8 rupees a company collecting, but the company collecting a premium at the time of allotment. So this 4 rupees is an including premium, so we need to divide as 2 rupees for capital and 2 rupees for premium. Let me see the working note. The total capital required by the company is 50,000 into 10, it is an 5 lakh rupees, and the company collecting extra as a securities premium 50,000 into 2, it is an 1 lakh rupees. A total company collecting from the public 6 lakhs, 5 lakhs as a capital and 1 lakhs as a premium. Total 6 lakh company collecting. A company not going to collect at a one shot this entire 6 lakh rupees. A company going to collect in this question as a 4 installments. A first installment called as equity share application, 50,000 shares into 2 rupees. The number of shares 50,000 and rate per share at the time of application 2, and total company going to collect 1 lakh. And in the second installment equity share allotment, 50,000 shares into 4 each, total 2 lakh rupees company going to collect. In this 2 lakh rupees a company going to collect premium also. So equity share capital 50,000 into 2 is an share capital as a 1 lakh, and the company collecting securities premium 50,000 into 2, 1 lakh. At total allotment money is in 2 lakh. This 2 lakh we need to divide as capital as well as premium. Next, third installment is an equity share first call. At the time of first call 50,000 into 2, that is an 1 lakh rupees company going to collect, and the last installment is an fourth installment equity share second and final call, company collecting 50,000 into 4, 2 lakh rupees. So a company going to collect total 6 lakh from the public, capital 5 lakh as well as premium 1 lakh. This total 6 lakh rupees company going to collect in installments. A first installment 1 lakh, second installment 2 lakh including premium, and third installment 1 lakh, and fourth installment 2 lakh. So entire 6 lakh rupees company going to collect in 4 installments. Journal entries in the books of Wipro Company Limited, and we should make the format of date column, particulars column, LF, debit rupees, credit rupees. After making the format, now we need to record the transactions. Now a company going to receive the total capital in 4 installments, so we need to record each installment as a 2 entries. Now let's see how we need to record. Now company going to receive as a first installment from the shareholder through the company's bank account. So a company's bank account increasing, so when a bank balance increase we need to debit according to American approach, and we need to credit equity share application because the bank balance increasing because of equity share application, we need to credit 1 lakh, 1 lakh, and also we should write the narration being equity share application money received for 50,000 equity shares of rupees 2 each. After collecting the money from the shareholder as a application, now that application money company going to transfer to its capital account. So second entry, equity share application account debit 1 lakh, and we need to transfer to capital to equity share capital account as in 1 lakh. So according to American approach, when capital increasing in the business, we need to credit it, and we should write the narration being equity share application money transfer to equity share capital account. So after transferring, now the company will send a intimation to the shareholder to pay the second installment as allotment. So first company will make a due, okay, as the allotment money company used to transfer to share capital as well as a security premium. Then the company will receive the allotment money. Let's see. So we need to debit equity share allotment account debit 2 lakh. This 2 lakh including premium. So what we should do now, we need to divide this 2 lakh as capital as well as securities premium. Already we seen in the working note. So to equity share capital account 1 lakh and to securities premium account 1 lakh. So here capital credited and security premium also credited. So when capital increasing, we need to debit according to American approach, and when income increase, we need to credit according to American approach. And we should write the narration being equity share allotment money due for 50,000 equity shares of rupees 4 each including premium 2 each. After transferring allotment money to capital and the premium as a due, now company going to receive as a second installment through the bank. So we need to debit the bank and we need to credit the equity share allotment money. Even at the time of second installment, the bank balance increasing, so we debited the bank and we credited to equity share allotment account. And if you observe here, the first installment, a company collected first the money, then company transferred into company's equity share capital account. But in the second installment, company first transferred as a due, then the company collected. The reason is, in the first installment, company don't know who is the shareholder. After getting the applications, only company came to know who is the shareholder. That's why first company received money through the applications and the company transferred it to share capital. But second installment onwards, a company know very well who is the shareholder. So that is the reason what company used to do. Company will transfer first to capital as a allotment and to the security premium. Then the company will receive the second installment from the shareholders. So, and we should write even narration being equity share allotment money received for 50,000 equity shares of rupees 4 each. Next, let's see the third installment. Equity share first call account debit to equity share capital account 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Even in the third installment, company will send an intimation after collecting the second installment, and now a company is debiting the first call and crediting the equity share capital account. So already we know when capital increase, we need to credit it, and we should write the narration being equity share first call money due for 50,000 equity shares of rupees 2 each. So after transferring the first call money to capital, now company going to collect this money through the bank. So now as a third installment, bank balance increasing, so we debited and we credited to equity share first call account 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Now after collecting a third installment, now a company going to collect as a last installment after intimation. Now company will transfer as usual, so equity share second and final call account debit to equity share capital. After transferring to equity share capital as a 2 lakh, 2 lakh, and company going to receive a last installment from the shareholder. So we need to debit the bank and we need to credit equity share second and final call account, because as a last installment the bank balance increasing, so we need to debit the bank and we need to credit the equity share second and final call account. And we should write the narration being equity share first and final call money received for 50,000 equity shares of rupees 4 each. So if you observe the entries, a majority entries are a unique entries, common entries. Like bank entries are unique, so we need to debit the bank and we need to credit the application, and we need to debit as a second installment bank and we need to credit the allotment, and as a third installment we need to debit the bank and we need to credit the equity share first call. As a fourth installment, we need to debit the bank and we need to credit the equity share second and final call, because every installment bank only going to receive. That is the reason we need to debit the bank